The video you are about to see is for entertainment purposes only. If you would like to learn self-defense or any martial art, please seek the instruction of a certified instructor.
So, today I'm going to make a quick video on how to do jumping kicks. I am by no means a tricking kind of person. I don't do the 1280 crazy, spinny, crazy stuff, but I do know a few basic jumping kicks, spinning kicks, jumping, spinning kicks, and if I can help someone achieve their goal of being able to do better jumping kicks or spinning kicks or jumping, spinning kicks, then I've achieved my goal with this video. So with all that said, let's get into it. There are two different kinds of jumping kicks. There's Idan, or stepping, where you take a little step whenever you kick, and then there is Dai, which is whenever you jump straight up and kick with your back leg. First, let's start with the Idan because I think that that's a little bit easier. Start by just skipping.
His name is the Skipper because everywhere he goes, he skips.
That sensation is absolutely one of the most extraordinarily joyous sensations that a person will ever experience.
The act of skipping, if you skip around, that's actually the muscles you're going to use whenever you do an Idan or stepping jumping kick. And once you do that, that'll get you warmed up, get your legs ready to go. A great way to get ready to do the kick, if you've never done it before, is by executing it without extending your legs, so actually popping your knee up instead of doing the full kick. It'll help your body kind of get used to that jump, or if you're doing a spinning kick, coming around doing that jumping, spinning, it's kind of a halfway commitment to get your body used to moving that way before you actually throw your foot out and do the kick. Whenever you actually do the kick, we're gonna start out with a front kick, with it being the easiest. You're going to step up like you're putting your foot on an imaginary step. From there, jump off of your back foot and bring it up doing the front snap kick. Next, we're gonna talk about the Dai jumping kick, which is whenever you just jump up and use your back leg. A great way to warm up and get ready to do this is, like I said before, don't extend fully, just pop your knee up, getting your body used to jumping up in the air, switching legs, that kind of thing. Once you get used to that, you can then try the full thing. Jump up in the air, bring your knees to your chest, pop out your front leg, extending it into a front snap kick. So once you get the stepping jumping front kick down, Idan apchaki, and the jumping front kick down, Dai apchaki, you can then use these principles of Idan and Dai towards pretty much any other kick. Roundhouse, spinning back kicks, spinning crescent kicks, they all use the same idea, either stepping, bringing a foot up on an imaginary step, or just bringing your back leg straight up into the target. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps in some way with your jumping kicks, and if you know a great training method, leave it in the comments below. I'd love to talk about it. Until next time, peace.